there, superstars! Welcome to Toothbrush Time, where we make brushing your teeth the most fun part of your day. Are you ready to learn how to brush your teeth like a pro and get those sparkling smiles? Well, let's get started. Brushing your teeth isn't just about keeping them clean, it's about making your whole mouth feel fresh and happy. First things first, grab your toothbrush. Pick one that you really like. Maybe it's your favorite color or has your favorite cartoon character on it. That way, brushing feels extra special every time. Make sure it has soft bristles, so it's gentle on your gums. Hard bristles can hurt, but soft ones are perfect for keeping your mouth comfy and clean. And don't forget the toothpaste. There are so many fun flavors to try. Maybe you like mint, or maybe bubblegum is your favorite. Just a little squeeze, about the size of a pea, is all you need. That's the perfect amount to get your teeth nice and clean without making a big mess. Too much toothpaste? Nope. That's just for grown-ups. Using just a little bit is best for kids like you. Now let's brush. Start with your top teeth. Open wide and get ready to make those teeth shine. Put your toothbrush at a little angle, almost like it's giving your gums a gentle hug. This helps clean where your teeth and gums meet, which is a super important spot. Move the brush in tiny circles. Not too fast, not too slow. Imagine you're drawing little bubbles on your teeth. Try singing your favorite song in your head to make it fun. You can even hum out loud if you want. Brushing is way more exciting with music. Brush the outside of your teeth, then the inside, making sure you reach every single tooth, even the ones hiding in the back. And don't forget the chewing parts. That's where all the crunchies and munchies hide. Those back teeth love to trap little bits of food, so give them some extra attention. Alright, time for the bottom teeth. Open up and get ready to make them sparkle too. Do the same thing, gentle circles on the outside, just like you did on the top. Don't forget the inside and the tops where you chew. Every tooth wants to join the clean team. Remember, every tooth wants to be clean and shiny. If you miss one, it might feel left out, so make sure you brush them all. And hey, your tongue needs some love too. It helps you taste your favorite foods, so let's keep it fresh. Give it a gentle brush to chase away those stinky breath germs. You're almost done. A clean tongue means your breath will smell super fresh. But wait, how long should you brush? 2 whole minutes. That's the magic number for a super clean mouth. That's like singing the happy birthday song 4 times. Or you can set a timer, or ask a grown-up to help you keep track. Or maybe do a happy dance while you brush. Wiggling and giggling makes the time go by super fast. When you're finished, spit out the toothpaste, rinse your mouth, and feel how fresh and clean everything is. And give your toothbrush a little rinse too. That way, it's ready for your next brushing adventure. High five! You did it! You're a toothbrushing champion, and your teeth are cheering for you. Brushing every morning and every night keeps your teeth strong and your smile super bright. It's like giving your teeth a superhero shield. And don't forget to visit the dentist for checkups. They're like superheroes for your teeth. Dentists help you keep your smile healthy and happy. So, what's your favorite thing to do while brushing? Do you like to sing, dance, or maybe tell a silly story in your head? Is it singing, dancing, or making silly faces in the mirror? Let me know. Maybe you even have a special brushing buddy, like a stuffed animal or a favorite toy. Keep brushing, keep smiling, and I'll see you next time for more awesome adventures. Bye-bye! And remember, your smile is your superpower. Show it off every day! Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more fun tips and adventures. We love having you here, and your support means a lot. Don't forget to brush every day and keep smiling. See you next time!